In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time. And now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. Our team was really excited to hear high praises for a job well done. We always try to provide the best service, and we take pride in providing the highest quality with great attention to detail. It's our guarantee. Let us help you with our excellent service, backed by our years of experience. Come and see us today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.